Laverne Cox from Orange is the New Black. And
so a large group of people. You're going to see disruptions on Spring, 6th, Main, 7th. And as they continue up towards City Hall, you'll see those disruptions closer to 2nd, 1st, and so forth. You get it. So back to City Hall it is. There's some folks there as well with those protests. And in Van Nuys, on Van Nuys Boulevard in front of the courthouse here, just south of Victory is where the courthouse is. So Delano, you've got a protest there on the side walk, and that's catching your attention as well. Thank you, Anthony. 60 westbound, right at the 605. CHP did run a break. There was debris in lanes. They're done, so you're starting to move. You'll see some slowing there. Now, if you transition to the south, 605, you're going to be right in a bunch of brake lights there off the 60. Up ahead, before you get to Beverly, is where we've got an injury crash that's working, and that's in the clearing stages, but still a solid backup. Saw 605 again from the 60. Southbound side of the 5 at Washington Boulevard. This is where we had another crash with some injuries in the left lane.